In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade in Pro Tools. So there's actually a few ways to do this. Let me show you the easiest ones. Now, the first one is going to be to pick this selector tool up top. So just click on it and then go ahead and highlight the audio by left clicking and dragging, of course, the audio you actually want to fade. So when you've done that, go to the Edit tab top left and then to the bottom, click on Fades and then click on Create or press Ctrl+F. Now, when you do this over here, you can see here you have the fade in, you have the in and out, and then you have the fade out. Okay, so you have like all of these over here. You can just go ahead and basically change it like that, and you can of course curve it however you want it to be. And whenever you do this, it's going to kind of fade your audio. Okay, so you can just click on OK over here, and that's going to fade it. Now you can then listen, and if it's not good, you can actually go back over here and do the same thing. So create over here, and you can then create it. Okay, now if at any point you wish to delete it, you can just go to fades and then delete, and it's going to delete your fade. Now what's also very convenient here with this tool is if you just go and kind of click and highlight over the start over here like this, so click and drag with the selector tool, you can press Ctrl and F on your keyboard, and it's only going to select the fade in over here, and you can actually see the beginning of your audio. So you can kind of fade in like this, and as you can see, it's going to show you how the fade in is going to look, which is quite convenient. You can also use like different fade in methods over here if you wanna, and then click on OK, and it's going to fade in, and you can do the same thing for fade out. So I go over here and basically do it like this, press Ctrl F, and the fade out can be controlled as well, just like this, as you can see, however you want it. Click on OK, and there we go, we have a fade out as well. Okay, so those are the ways to fade in basically and fade out in Pro Tools. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.